Hey everybody, Kevin from Complex RC here. Gonna give you a little review on an LED light I purchased on eBay. The LED light came to me simply, no package, just what you see here and a few zip ties. It has 10 LED diodes and it looks to be just 3D printed in ABS plastic because it's pretty rough and tough. I already had a little bit of driving experience with it the other night and I'm going to show you how to install it. Installation is really simple. All you need is a standard set of wrenches for your rig, and you just simply run the light underneath your shock tower, snap the light into the little space on your bumper, and then simply run the cable into your receiver box, turn it on to test. And she's working.